Starlink price in India. How much will Starlink's satellite communication cost to Indian users? In a major development for Elon Musk, the Indian government has issued a letter of intent, LOI, to Starlink, clearing the path for its satellite communication, SATCOM, services in the country, according to a PTI report citing government sources. The approval comes after Musk's company agreed to India's security requirements. Starlink, the satellite internet arm of Elon Musk-led SpaceX, is known for delivering high-speed, low-latency broadband through a vast network of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites operating just 550 kilometers above the Earth. This is in contrast to traditional geostationary satellites, which orbit much farther out and generally offer slower, higher latency connections. SpaceX has already deployed around 7,000 LEO satellites globally and aims to scale this up to over 40,000, enabling internet access even in the most remote and challenging terrains. From conflict zones to disaster-struck regions. What Indian consumers can expect to pay? With regulatory barriers being cleared, focus is now shifting to what Starlink will cost Indian users. According to reports, industry estimates suggest the monthly subscription fee could range from 3,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees, depending on the plan and location. On top of that, users will have to buy a Starlink kit, which includes a satellite dish and Wi-Fi router, priced between 20,000 rupees and 35,000 rupees. This is significantly more expensive than conventional broadband services in India, where average monthly costs hover around 500 rupees. As a result, Starlink is likely to attract early adoption primarily from businesses, government institutions, and rural households in hard-to-reach areas where traditional broadband is unavailable. Despite the cost, experts see strong potential in Starlink's ability to transform digital connectivity in rural and remote India. The technology could be a breakthrough for sectors such as telemedicine, online education, disaster management, and rural development, especially if government subsidies or support programs are introduced. When will Starlink start its services? Before launching its services, Starlink still needs approval from the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre, INSPACe, and must be allocated spectrum by the government. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, is in the final stages of preparing recommendations for spectrum pricing for SATCOM services. Starlink, which had been vying for an India license for some time now, recently signed pacts with Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel, which together control more than 70% of the country's telecom market, to bring the US satellite internet giant's services to India. The Elon Musk firm is reportedly in talks with Indian telecom firms to explore bundled offerings and expand its footprint through partnerships. According to reports, Elon Musk is expected to visit India later this year, possibly